Hello everybody. These are ARCU locks. The keyhole here is straight. Sometimes the guide sticks out a little bit. In principle, the locks are identical. Although there may be 3 generations of them, in my opinion, there may be some that are not quite identical. So these are 2 identical locks. Here the lock works well. This is if you look at the latch. Since our doors usually close like this, then this will most often be the street side. Here in the middle is the keyhole, but inside there is also a keyhole below. It opens and closes with the same key. The only difference is that here in the lower keyhole, here is the Hobbs working. The tensioner is at the end. This is the tensioner. And if we approach from the outside, then the tensioner will be the first one. That is, this is the second Hobbs. Therefore, here it is as if there are 2 Hobbs, but if you think about it based on the latch, then the running one, well, most likely the running one will be these Hobbs, where the tensioner is at the beginning. Well, and there is still unknown how these locks can be installed. This is exactly the same lock, 2 turnovers. Here it is better to twist it as convenient for you because the tubes rotate. That is, the tensioner can be set in one line. Put the handle so that it is clear. The same with the manipulator. Well, here I have it set. That is, as it is convenient for you to turn, so that it is more convenient to work. Here now I'll make a tension like this. And I'll work with the manipulator. You can work both to the right and to the left. That is, in any direction. There is no particular difference, just for convenience. We insert, tighten, make tension, tighten a little towards ourselves, keep the tension small, and we slowly begin to work with the manipulator. We work with short movements because it is easy to throw. Well, it opens differently. Somewhere it will take 1 minute, somewhere it can take 5 minutes, 3 minutes, differently. There is nothing complicated about them. You just need to practice a little and they open very easily. The tension force is, well, approximately, this is the weight at the hand. Well, something like that. Well, here is the first turn. That's how it all happens. Accordingly, if you want to open this side, then you need to take another Hobbs with the tensioner not at the beginning, but on the nose. They come in a pair, 2 Hobbs. The price of this set you can find on our website. The link is under this video.